Oh yeah, oh yeah. Feel down, cram for if you're watching it. No rushing. What's up not to them? And Tobin is ever coaching. Sharp, now we're aiming for 1 year. One year and so one can ash. The name is Bedianawalkerdoings. Doings. This is what we prepare. This is how I make my simple homemade cheeseburger. I love you. Thank you for watching me. I love you. We are coming to prepare cheeseburger, and these are the ingredients I have here.
My heart and voice I raise to spread Messiah's praise. Messiah's praise, let all repeat. The universal Lord, by whose almighty.
This is our potatoes we are frying for our cheeseburger. Yeah.
Gentle Jesus, make a mound. Look upon a little child. Pity my simplicity. Suffer me to come to thee.
Let's fry our chicken. This is our chicken we are frying. This is mayonnaise and fresh yogurt. I'm doing the sauce for the cheeseburger. This is ketchup. This is hot pepper sauce. This is mustard. This is our bread. I want to toast it small. This is our burger bread. This is my sauce. I use ketchup, fresh yogurt, mayonnaise, mustard, black pepper powder, and hot pepper sauce I use to make my ketchup. After I will list the ingredients for you to see. This is my frying chicken here, my potatoes, my onion. This is my chili pepper. This is my cucumber. I didn't use any lettuce because the one who eats this don't like lettuce. Yeah. I'm adding a little mustard to it because I want it to be creamy. This mayonnaise, it contains a lot of lemon. I have used 3 different mayonnaise. This one, it contains too much lemon. I won't do advert. Okay, so let's spread. I toast my bread small. Yeah, I toast it small. The name is Bedianawalkerdoings. We are doing cheeseburger. All right. I'm not adding any lettuce. Yeah, it's not by force that you have to add lettuce. The one I'm going to give doesn't like lettuce, so I have to guys, I hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. The name is Bedianawalkerdoings. Okay. So this is my chicken here. This is my chicken. Remember, everyone has their way of cooking. Yeah, so this is my way of doing my this is how I do mine. Oh yes. This is my own style of doing my cheeseburger. You can call it burger. So this is how to make cheeseburger or burger in the house. Oh, my cheese has tear. Shoulda man. No problem. Every star is a new star. Every star is a new star. Have you get it? Yeah. You want it too much sauce. Uh-huh. They love more sauce. So this is Bedianawalkerdoings. This is Bedianawalkerdoings. This is the burger I am talking about. So this is how I do my simple cheeseburger. Have you watched? Thank you so much. The leftover potatoes, I'm putting it here because I can't throw it away. So this is how I do my cheeseburger. If you are damn cram for when if you're wanting it, no rushing. What's up not to them? And talking is ever coach you. Sharp now aim for one years. One year and so one can ash. The name is Bedianawalkerdoings. Doings. This is what we prepare. This is how I make my simple homemade cheeseburger. I love you. Thank you for watching me. I love you. Oh yeah. Of course, the name is Bedianawalkerdoings. Of course, the name is Bedianawalker Vibes. If you watch my videos, I'll watch your videos for you. If you give me like, I'll give you like. If you don't give me like, no problem. I want comments. I prefer comments. For like, you don't have to worry. It's all about the doings. Now we stay. Now we day. No going back. No turning down. We stay. The name is Bedianawalker Vibes. Bedianawalkerdoings. No shaking, no stress. We day. We move. Praise my channel right now. Of course, the name is Bedianawalkerdoings. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go and subscribe for me. Yes, go and subscribe for me. If you've not seen my other channel called Bedianawalker Vibes, go there and subscribe for me. Of course, that name is Bedianawalker Vibes. Bedianawalkerdoings. The natural girl. No bleaching. No pressure. No wahala. A woman with a big God.